Hi, my name's Luke. I'm with a company called Your Crawl Space Guys. So today what we're doing is we're going underneath the house where nobody wants to go, and we're gonna pour 4 new pier pads. Right now there's 4 existing pier pads. There's a ditch when you first crawl in, and they're right on the edge of that ditch. It's about 3 feet deep, so the pier pads are starting to tip, and eventually they're gonna fall. The floor would cave in at some point. So to prevent that, we're gonna remove those. We're gonna brace up the floor. We're gonna remove the existing pier pads, and then we're gonna pour new sonotubes that go all the way down to the bottom of that ditch, and that way they're not gonna tip anymore. So we gotta do a little bit of digging and regrade the dirt there, and we're gonna have a good time and have fun. So we're gonna show you how we do that. Poured some new pier pads, dug all that out so that we could pour straight down to the base level of the ground so that they won't tip anymore. And now we're stripping the forms. We're gonna put our new posts in, put our gussets on, which is a piece of plywood that nails to the beam, nails to the post, keeps it from tipping. And then we're gonna regrade that shelf of dirt, put our plastic in, and be done.